guys! So for today's video is another get ready with me, and this time I'm so inspired to do like a full coverage but like matte finish and very Kim Kardashian. Like, I don't know, for some reason I've been searching her photos for the entire day yesterday looking for makeup inspirations, and I don't know. I'll try to do a Kim Kardashian makeup. This is not a makeup transformation, by the way. Makeup inspiration, more like. And you guys, ang products na gagamitin ko ay majority, of course, local brands, local products. I don't know, for some reason, siguro mga 80% ng makeup collection ko, local brand. I'm loving the local brand. But anyway, let's get started. I'm going to do my lips muna. Mag-a-apply muna ako ng lip balm. And I am currently doing a skincare challenge right now after VT Cosmetics. This is the second skincare brand and line na inaano ko, and so far so good. What do you think? Hindi ko na ipapakita, okay? Hindi ko na ipapakita kasi surprise, hindi pa tapos yung 2-week challenge ko, but I'm going to do my I'm going to prep my skin. So kakatapos ko na maghilamos. Meron akong fina-follow sa YouTube, makeup artist, ni Selena Gomez. He's a celebrity makeup artist, and parang sabi niya doon, every time he does makeup sa mga clients niya, talagang kailangan may skincare, may skin prep. At hindi lang like rekta, primer and then do the makeup. So kailangan may mga massage pa, deeply moisturize your skin, ganun. Okay, so I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to use itong Essence eyeshadow base. I'm going to set the primer ng very, very slight. Just very thin layer of powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use itong FS Cosmetics Filipiniana in the shade Sinisinta. Look at these shades, you guys. By the way, guys, pag may narinig kayong tak 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 tak, that's my husband. He's playing a game right now sa PC, so. Honestly, you guys, every time I do my makeup, nahihirapan ako minsan pantayin everything because my eyes, they're not pantay. Like, this one is like paganon, and then this one is like paganyan. You know how that feels? Dinideepen up ko lang yung crease ko. And I'm going to get the black shade and apply it dito, slowly but surely, sa outer V to, you know, define my eyes even more. So tayo dito kasi yung lighting. There you go. Lalagay din ako ng black shade, very, very light lang, doon sa crease. Then whatever I put on top, I'm gonna put at my bottom lash area. While waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm going to do my eyebrows na, and Skin Potions Brow of Wonder in the shade medium because I need dark eyebrows. I'm going to have dark hair later. Oh, I'm gonna do this off cam na because you've seen me do it countless times. Primer, oh, diba? Primer tayo. I'm going to use itong sa Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Every time I want like a matte finish foundation, I always use this. I don't use the spray ones because those give me like, you know, really nice dewy finish. This one, it gives me like a matte finish. Foundation, ang pinaka full coverage na meron ako right now is from Fashion 21, yung Ultimate Cover, but then I'm also going to use itong sa L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, whatchamacallit, concealer. These two give me like a really matte finish. Nag-aantay kasi ako ng 11/11, and then I'm gonna buy my favorite foundation na full coverage, and then at the same time, my matte, and then merong dewy. This concealer is so thick, so full coverage. You can even use this as a foundation. Alam mo yun, on its own. It looks like a ghost right now, but don't worry guys. Magbo-bronzer tayo. And I'm going to use yung sa palette ni Mama Ann, yung face palette, yung brown shade dito. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face using yung Fashion 21 na setting powder. It looks like I'm putting a lot on my face, but honestly no. It's so thinly applied. For contour, gagamitin ko itong sa Ara. Tama ba? Yeah, Ara Colors. Blush, Vice Cosmetics, or a blush in Applauded. Subtle lang. For highlight, Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. Want to define my eyes more, so gagamitin ko itong Vice XN Clothes na eyeliner. And then mascaras to make my lashes more va-va-voom. Now for the lips, ay dito talaga tayo para mag-Kim Kardashian style because I'm going to do lip contour para naman, you know, mas spouty yung lips natin. So, I'm going to take itong, this is an Everbelin na eyeliner. I don't have a lip liner na, alam mo yun, brownie, nudie. So, ito na lang gagamitin kong pang contour. So this is our lip contour, diba? Lakas maka 90s makeup. For the lips, I'm going to use Nudist from Sunny's Face. And then I'm going to use About Raf na shades. This is a Detail Cosmetics lipstick.
This is the time. Look into your.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look right here. I'm so sorry I tried like using this wig without the beanie, but I look so stupid. Like black hair is not for me, and let alone black straight hair na nasa gitna yung hate. Definitely not for me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope kahit paano I was able to give you like tips and ideas on how to do your makeup and everything, especially with the lip contour. I'm dying for my lip contour. My lips look so big. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have video requests, comment it down below. And then subscribe to my channel. Tapos i-click mo yung bell button. And then pagka-click mo yung bell button, click mo yung all. May lalabas sa tatlong option doon. Click mo yung all. Alam nyo, ba't kayo pinapagano ng mga YouTubers? Because every time nag-upload kami ng video, you wouldn't know. Hindi mo malalaman unless naka-notify, naka-click yung bell button dun sa mga subscriptions mo. So, alam mo yun, kawawa naman kami, sayang naman. Parang hindi mo malalaman, hindi mo papanood agad pag nag-upload kami kasi nga, ewan ko, ganun yung YouTube eh. But anyway, so yeah, subscribe and then bell button. Okay? Again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Oh my god, guys, so this is the full black hair. I can't show you the top because it looks so fake.